Be honest. How long have you been saying you will learn to code? Soon. A month passes, then another month, then another, and eventually you realize you're still exactly where you started. But what if you actually started? Because sometimes it only takes one decision to change what happens next. First you learn the foundations, then you start building, and suddenly you're not just learning code, you're creating with it. Because modern development isn't about knowing everything. It's about knowing how to build and knowing how to use the tools that make you better. Because eventually, you don't just want to learn, you want something to show for it, something you build. One project can become a portfolio can become proof, and proof can open doors. That's where Elora Tech Institute comes in. 7 weeks, one structured journey from the foundations to modern development to building real projects. And no, you don't have to know everything on day one. You just need to be willing to start, then learn, practice, build, and keep going. So if you've been waiting for the right time, this is your September.